Everyone and welcome back to our channel Cute and Classic Crochet. If you love fashion, creativity and handmade beauty, then today's video is for you. Our channel is all about positive vibes, learning and inspiration, helping you stay updated with the new latest fashion trend while discovering new creativity ideas from around the world. Today we are exploring some of the most trending and beautiful crochet tops for girls in 2026. Crochet fashion continues to grow in popularity, combining comfort, elegance, and handmade charm in ways that make every outfit feel special. So let's dive into this amazing crochet fashion inspiration. Crochet tops are becoming one of the most loved fashion pieces among girls and women all of ages. Fashion lovers are choosing crochet design because they offer a unique blend of style. One of the biggest trends this year is the classic boho crochet top. These designs feature delicate pattern, lightweight texture, and relaxed silhouettes that create an effortlessly stylish look. They appear beautifully with jeans, skirts, shorts, and even wide-leg trousers. Another popular trend is the modern minimalist crochet tops. These designs focus on clean lines, simple patterns, and natural colors. They prove that crochet can look fashionable while maintaining its handmade appeal. Color trends are also playing a major role in crochet fashion this year. Soft shades such as cream pink, blush pink, and pastel blue continue to dominate fashion collection. These colors create a fresh and elegant appearance that work for both casual and semi-formal occasions. At the same time, vibrant colors like sunflower yellow, coral orange, emerald green, and lavender are making crochet tops stand out in exciting new way. These cheerful shades bring energy, confidence, and personality to everyday outfit. Fashion experts are also embarrassing color block crochet designs while multiple colors are combined to create eye-catching and artistic pattern. These styles are perfect for those who love bold and creative fashion choices. Another existing trend for this year crop style crochet tops. These fashionable pieces have become favorite among young fashion because they are stylish, versatile, and easy to pair with different wardrobe items. Off-shoulder crochet tops are also gaining popularity. Their elegant and feminine appearance make them perfect for vacations, summer outings, and special gatherings. They add a touch of warmth, maintaining the comfort that crochet clothing is known for. For those who prefer a more stylish look, long sleeves crochet tops are becoming increasingly fashionable. They offer beautiful texture and intricate patterns that make every outfit feel unique and handcrafted. One of the most inspiring aspects of crochet fashion is that every piece reflects creativity and artistic expression. Unlike mass-produced clothing, handmade crochet tops showcase that skill, patience, and imagination behind every stitch. This is the reason why crochet fashion continues to attract attention on social media, fashion runway, and handmade marketplaces around the world. People appreciate their uniqueness and authenticity that made garments brings to modern fashion. Fashion is not only about following trends, it's also about expressing your personality and feeling confident in what you wear. Crochet tops allow you to celebrate creativity while embracing timeless handmade beauty. Whether you prefer simple minimalist design, colorful patterns, winged inspiration styles, and many more, guys. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with today's us. I hope you enjoyed this video. So guys, thank you so much once again for watching my video.